All right.
Alright guys, I am going to build and I'm looking at these instructions. I can build! Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Alright now, Mommy. Hey, look at this. I have to need this, this, and this. Boy. And that's what it has. 1, 2, 3. I need 3 objects. Oh, I'm a crazy man. Crazy girl. I'm whipping stuff. And guys, if you see holes, then let me know. Do you see holes? Do you see holes, Mommy? You will on the other side.
Ooh. Gotta put all the holes on one side, not the other side, right?
Yeah.
And when you put it together, you have to put the holes.
That's what it is. That's what we're building.
Yeah, let's look at the pictures.
I see a hole. This is not the real one. Oh, now this is what it's telling you. There's 4 this, 2 this, 1 of this. Mommy, can you open this? I know there's not much tools left. There's only 1 tool to build this. Open this? 2 extra. Alright, that was all the instructions I have, only 2, and this is all the stuff I need. Alright, now let's put this back together. Fell apart a bit. Alright, now that's the first instructions. This back has only words. So let's look at the front again. There's Ikea. There's Ikea. If you can spell I-K-E-A, tiny. When it's tiny, you will be. Alright, this is not the real instructions. That is. I got this for me, myself. I got build this. So just lay it flat here. And use on the same page as I was earlier. Nice. I need these. Cheese! Alright, now, film time. Mommy, can you open this?
You're doing a great job, Abigail. I think you're doing it.
I'm very good. Since there's only 2 of this, how do I do this? There's only 2.
All right, well, you have 3 holes, but 1 hole is bigger.
No, that's already screwed.
They hang up on the wall. That is the hanger for the wall, okay?
Yeah.
So turn it back around. You have 3 holes there. 2 holes are smaller than 1 hole.
No.
The instructions will tell you all these things, Rafael. Right?
Well, not really.
No?
They have 0 words on the IKEA instructions.
Yeah, that's why it's for kids.
Yeah.
It shows you what to do.
Yep. Kids don't need to read it.
Okay, don't hurt yourself.
I'm not putting myself.
Okay, children. All right, good job. It's what?
Tiny holes.
Yep, you got 2 small holes and 1 big one.
Fill out.
All right, all right. There you go.
All right, now where do I connect it? I just put this back where it was earlier.
Uh-huh.
No. Yeah, this isn't really a good time.
Well, you're getting there. Look at the picture.
I'm doing this.
Yeah, you sure are.
I think that's enough. Look what I did, Daddy.
Wow.
Look what I did.
You did.
Yes. This is a kid's job.
Great.
His job? Yes, Abigail. It's for kids.
Make sure, hey. Make sure before you put it in here that this, very good. Very good. You got to make sure that they're both the same on both sides and that they go the right way. Okay.
So,
you did need to put that in first.
Look.
Yeah, now you have to take one side out.
Look what I did. This is the wrong way.
It sure is.
Yes, It is.
They're both the wrong way.
We can twist it around.
Oh, good job.
Like, you see this?
Smart thinking.
Yeah, smart. Smart boy, smart girl. Another smart thinking.
However,
However, it fell apart.
where did the screws go now? You need the screws in there and you didn't put the screws in.
It's fine. You need to do this first.
Nope. You have to take it all apart because you missed a step. You have to put the screws in. See, Abigail's putting her screws in, but I don't know if she's putting them in the right way because I think you're supposed to put them in the small boards,
Oh.
but maybe not.
Small boards, yeah.
Or yeah. Do you put it in the small boards?
Yes, there's 4 of it. It's
You-
4 screws.
Do you put it in there? Did you read? No, Abigail's doing it the right way, actually. Hold on a
can't.
minute. Hold on.
That was a mistake, right?
There. All right.
You want
Abigail, are you doing it right?
I knew I was doing it right.
Are you?
I'm doing it right.
Okay. All right, now.
Yes, I missed a step. Yeah, I missed a step. Look at these holes. That's where the screws go. So, another mistake, right? You made a mistake.
Made a mistake.
You made a mistake, Mommy.
I made steak a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. She's telling you that you made a mistake.
Oh, a mistake. I made a mistake?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
A mistake is something that you didn't know,
Oh.
and you did it wrong.
Oh, good job on that. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Righty.
Are you going right with it or left?
I keep rubbing this.
Oh, no.
This is out. And this
Are you going right with it or left?
right. Right.
Righty is tighty.
Righty is tidy.
And lefty is loosey.
Yeah. I'm putting it a good way. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. It can't be enough. It's not tight enough. It's not tight enough. Look at me. Wait. I know. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Look.
Very good.
Whoa. Move.
Too bad your hands don't have magnets on them.
Yeah.
Abigail? Lefty.
Tidy. This is
Loosey.
righty tighty.
Lefty loosey. Righty tighty.
It's all the way. How does it go?
Put it just until it meets the wood on the other side.
Just until it meets the wood on the other side. Just until it reaches the other side?
Right. Don't go all the way through it because you have to put the other board on.
I'm doing it, Daddy.
You are.
I am. I'm doing it good. I'm doing
You're doing an amazing job at it.
it. Yay. Done.
Good job. Okay, now you have 3 more to do.
Yes.
On that side. Go ahead.
Alright, was this the right way?
Yeah, excellent. Because look, it only has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side has how many holes?
Are we not going grandma's?
6 holes.
You're not going grandma's?
Why would we go to Grandma's? We're building furniture.
Yeah, we're building.
Grandma's coming over tomorrow.
To build this?
Yeah, she's gonna look at all the stuff that we built.
Yeah.
You can show her the shelf that you built.
Me?
Yeah, that's your shelf that you built.
I did it. No, the other one's done up. I keep making a mistake that this side was
Yeah,
the
but
side.
now you know the difference. There's 6 holes on one side and 4 holes on the other. And you're almost done.
Why are you trying? This is how you do it. Now I can put 1 in. Because there's 2 that are done. I need minutes. Ooh. This has a hole in it.
You're right.
I'm white. I did it a bit too hard. I need to take this apart, put her the other way.
There you go. And we don't do that.
Yeah.
We don't do that.
Here.
All right.
One side is done. Only one more left to go. Oops. Yeah. This is whitey tidy. So we're going to build it. That doesn't look the right way.
It's absolutely the right way.
I need to ask Abigail if she was really doing it the right way.
Yeah, she's really doing it the right way. She looked at the pictures and she's doing it.
There. My hand is way fast.
Yes, for that it's way faster. You only do that when you're tightening it. Okay, put the other screw in.
Yeah.
You want to go just until you get to the wood on the other side.
Hands are fast.
Very good.
We are not done. Yeah, you're not really all the way done.
Almost done. You got one more screw, Abigail. Can you do it? Get your screw over there. See your screw on the floor? Over there.
Oh, Abigail didn't do that?
All right, now put it in the last hole and then you'll be done with that part.
And then Abigail will have to do the other part.
Okay, take
Again.
one side out.
Is this the wrong way?
No, that's the right way. You have to put this stick in. Put the stick in one side of the thing first.
Oh, now I get what you're saying.
Right. And then you have to put that in.
This thing is really too tall, so I had to move it.
Okay, do you see this hole?
Yeah.
When you screw this together, the screw is going to tighten these two pieces together, okay?
Yeah. That's not the right way.
It is the right way. Keep going. Are you done?
No.
You're done. Go get your little pieces and put your dowel in. Follow the directions on the pictures. Your wood dowels.
Oh, I don't really see
It's done, Mommy. Put your white pieces on.
I think that's done.
That's done. Now you have to screw it in tight. Finish the screws. Righty-tighty.
This is what you mean.
Yep,
So I had to do all that.
that's right.
I still have 4 screws, right?
Mm-hmm. They're in there and you have to screw them all tight.
Whoa.
Do you want a real screwdriver maybe?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you know what?
What?
The drill is better. It can go
You
faster.
don't do drill.
Yeah, we don't do drills on this furniture though, because this is for kids
Yes.
and you can do it. Do you need help, Abigail? Look at the picture.
I don't need help.
Yep, that's how you do that. But look at the picture here.
It fell off, Abigail.
Let's see. No.
That's
Let's
right.
see. No. Here's the picture. Do you see the little wood?
Yeah.
It goes in the middle hole. So take the little wood.
It takes it.
Which kid do you think has the most light?
The light,
The boy or the girl?
most light?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Who has the most light on their face?
Oh. Well, Abigail, let me see your face. Well, you both do because there's lots of light in the house.
Did you see that I did?
Yeah.
With my thumb.
Ding. We can make wind chimes out of all these tools that they give you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what's a wind chime?
Well, it blows in the wind and it clashes together and makes noise, and it's pretty.
Oh, you know what? We have something when the wind blows, it just goes in a circle.
Yeah,
So
we do.
it's-
We do.
Wow, 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 look. You can't even see that almost.
Yeah, you've almost got it in there flush. When this is pushed all the way in there, then this right here, the space will disappear. And then there will be no space. Abigail, put your dowel in the big hole, okay?
Can't.
You can't put it in there, it's too tight. Can you push it real hard?
Well, look. The space is disappearing.
You got it? Let me see, Abigail. Did you get it? Yep, you got it. Good job.
Disappeared.
Woohoo! Yep, see, that's a nice looking shelf.
Not really yet.
Not until you're done. Almost done.
I can't.
Almost.
You can. Let's do it.
Left.
Okay, there's a defect in hers. That's why she couldn't get the thing in earlier.
And I could get
They
it.
didn't drill it out all the way. So we'll have to get a drill bit and just clean that out a little bit.
It's disappeared already. Alright, there's the last turn left.
I tightened it. I'm tightening it.
That's a hard turn.
That's a
It's done for.
It's done for.
No more space. That means I'm done.
No more space. It's all done. Very good. Looking good. Now, what are we going to put on there?
What? I don't know.
Spice jars
Whoa.
for the kitchen. Thank you for helping me build it.
Here, can I help you, Abigail?
No.
She's going to build it up until the point where she can't turn it anymore. And then since you're stronger, you're going to finish it. Okay?
Yeah.
Did you tighten it?
Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, you got one left.
I can't
You do the next one. You're,
do it.
yeah, I know. Rafael's going to finish it for you. You're going to get it all the way down.
And then brother's gonna finish it. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.